Ayan, so let's proceed for our example number 3. So in our example number 3, we have view your laboratory results for Atterbird's limit test. So this was being developed by what? Who again? The Albert Moritz Atterbirds, okay? So this is for your describing the method for your fine grained soils. And then as you can see, meron tayong plot the water content versus the number of blows here. Okay? So my chart dyan actually is kung sa um, i-laboratory natin to at your x-axis at your x-axis you have your number of blows and then sa y-axis mo naman andito yung natawag nating water content. Okay? And if you try to browse guys yung topic natin before sa construction materials and testing dun sa liquid limit, okay? Sa liquid limit, yung pag-conduct ng liquid limit test using Casagrande Cap device. Okay, I performed it before in your construction materials and testing. Yun nga, ito yung cap apparatus natin, Casagrande Cap apparatus. And then, one thing more, nag-send din naman ako ng link sa Schoology account how to conduct, how to determine the liquid limit of a soil sample. Right? So ngayon, I will going to show you guys how to solve this problem without the chart. Okay? Chart na ng or logarithmic scale natin, the number of blows at x-axis and water content at y-axis. So ngayon, isa-solve natin siya without using this plot for the water content versus the number of blows. Kasi ang given lang, determine the nearest value to the liquid limit of the soil, plastic limit of the soil, and liquid limit of the liquidity index. Dapat to, liquidity index. Okay, liquidity index. Right? So, kamali. Then, anyway, from your table, guys, nakita nyo yung liquid limit, na-highlight ko siya. Okay, kasi meron test number, meron tayong 4 trials dito. Tatlong tests. Okay? Tatlong test dito. And then, pansin nyo, yung number of blows, napapansin nyo, may 38, 29, 25, 20, and 14. Na dapat, once na nag-conduct ka ng blow at 1 second, 1 second, 2 revolutions per 1 second. Okay? So, pag mag-meet sila, mag-meet yung pag ito yung soil sample kasi natin guys, and then hinati natin. Okay? So, hinati natin, and then nag-conduct tayo number of blows at 1 second per 2 revolution. 2 revolution. And then kapag nag-meet na yung soil sample natin na meron siyang 1/2 inch, dito natin mabibilang yung number of blows. Okay? Yan yung mga number of blows. So, dito makikita natin to using yung Casagrande Cap device. Casagrande Cap device. So, sir, pwede mo bang i-orient ulit kami o paano yan? So, dito natin siya makikita. So, wait lang. 0 ko lang yun. Okay. So, ito yun, guys. Yan yun. So, dito natin mabibilang yung number of blows. Tapos, dito yung soil sample natin. Diba? Hatiin natin yan. Using yung cutting groove tool. Ngayon, pag magkakandak ka, 1 second per 2 revolution. Okay? So, until such time na, let's say for example, at 14 blows, ayan, at 14 blows, nag-meet na yung soil sample natin na na-measure mo at least 1/2 inch yung pinag-meet nila. Meaning to say, ito na yung number of blows niya. Okay? So, parang ganito din siya dito. Nag-meet lang sila at 30 blows. Nag-meet lang yung soil sample mo nung hinati mo ng cutting groove tool nung 38 blows. So, kaya ito yung first trial. So, in conducting liquid limit, guys, 4 na trial yan. Right? So, next, let's try to solve first kung paano i-solve tong liquid limit natin. Meron tayong weight of wet soil plus container. Okay? So, parang ito yung sample natin. Ito yung wet soil natin, guys. Ito yung wet soil natin. Di ba? Moist pa siya. And this one is your container. The tin can. Ito yung container natin. Okay? This one is your container. So, ibig niya sabihin, yung unang sample mo, weight of wet soil is equal to what? 22.47. Itong soil plus itong container, 22.47. Tapos nung dry soil naman na siya, conduct tayo ng lab oven. Okay? Or di kaya kung walang lab oven, another remedy dyan yung denatured alcohol. So, syempre, magiging dry siya, mawawala na yung moisture content. So, ito na yung kakalabasan. So, dry na siya. Yes? And that would be your weight of dry soil plus container. So, weigh natin siya using your digital balance. And then, weight of the container. Ang weight ng container, yung ito lang. Kasi, i-deduct natin siya. So, ngayon, sir, how to solve yung yatawag nating weight of water? Weight of water, weight of dry soil, and water content. Okay, going back to the basic formula, guys. Again, weight of water is unknown. Tama? Weight of water. Weight of dry soil is also unknown. Yes or no? And weight of water content. Water content is also unknown. So how to solve the value of your weight of water here? Based from this table, it is simply what? The weight of wet soil plus container minus weight of dry soil plus container. Tama ba? Yes or no? So, kung isa-solve natin ito, it would be 22.47 minus 19.44. So, that's it. 3.03. Kasi wet soil to minus dry soil. So, matitira yung weight of water na lang. Tama ba? So, in solving this one, it should be 3.03. So, i-deduct mo lang to. This one, and this dry soil. Okay? Intindihan? So, next, how about of your weight of dry soil? Your weight of dry soil is simply the weight of dry soil plus container minus weight of container. So, isa-subtract naman natin dito, this one. Okay? So, ito naman siya. So, 19.44 minus 12.74. Yan, 6.70. And then, sir, how to solve the value of your water content? Take note the formula for your water content. Again, what's the formula for your water content, guys? Try to review. Ano yung formula natin sa water content? Water content is equal to weight of water divided by weight of solids. Diba? Ito na yung weight of water divided by weight of solids. So, meaning to say, i-divide lang natin siya. This one, weight of water, which divided by weight of dry soil, or weight of solid, that would be your water content. So, 3.03 divided by 6.70. So, that is 45.82. So, express your answer in terms of percent. Okay? 45.22. Ganun din gawin natin dito. Again, how to get the weight of water? Weight of wet soil plus container minus weight of dry soil plus container. Parang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 4 minus row 5 lang siya. 21.29 minus 18.78. This one's 2.51. So, diretso ko na siya. 18.78 minus 13.24. 5.54. Okay? So, ganun din sa column 3. 21.27 minus 18.75. This is 2.52. Okay? And then 18.75 minus 13.20. 5.55. Right? So, dito naman, 26.2 minus 22.10. This is 4.1. 0.1, and then 22.10 minus 13.27, that is 8.88. And then, guys, take note, you need to express your answers in terms of percent. So, dito, 2.51 divided by 5.54. So, 45.30 2.52 minus I divided by 45.41, and then 4.10 divided by 8.88. This is 46.17%. Right? So our key equation to solve those water content, dapat alam mo yung water content, which is the weight of water divided by weight of solids. Okay? So letter A, determine the liquid limit of the soil. So liquid limit, ang gagawin lang natin, hindi na natin siya ipa-plot. Okay? Yung kung in times of laboratory activity, kailangan mo i-plot yan. Pero para sa mga exam, mga ganito, there's a shortcut way to solve this problem. All you need to do is to add this 4 trials and divided it into 4. Okay? So mangyayari, 45.22 plus 45.30 plus 45.41 plus 46.17 divided by 4. That is equal to 45.525. So ang sagot mo dito is approximately nearest. Kaya wala siyang nearest, wala siyang exact value. So nearest value, sagot natin dito would be 45.525%. Okay, that would be your liquid limit. So how about your plastic limit, guys? Ganun din pag solve. So your plastic limit, weight of soil, wet soil minus weight of dry soil. Okay, so parang dun sa una din. So 23.20 minus 20.42. So 2.78. And then 20.42 minus 12.90 to make it the weight of dry soil, 7.52. Then next, 22.80 minus 20.19, okay, 2.61. And then this one, 20.19 minus 12.95, 7.24. Okay, so again, we need to have our water content. Water content is weight of water divided by a weight of solids or your dry soil. 2.78 divided by 7.52. This is equal to 36.97. Then 2.61 divided by 7.24, 36.05. So average natin 36.97 plus 36.05 divided by 2. So this is equal to 36.51%. So ang sagot mo dyan would be 36.51. So nearest value, again nearest value, 36.51%. Okay, this one is equal to your PL. So next, how about your determine the nearest value of the liquidity index? Take note, again, the formula for your liquidity index, LI. Ano yung formula ng LI natin, guys? Still remember, LI would be equal to water content minus PL all over PI. Okay? Wherein your PI is equal to LL minus PL. Okay, evaluate natin. Meron ba tayong LL? Yes, meron na. Meron ba tayong PL? Yes, meron na. How about yung water content? Ito na lang kulang. Ang water content, that would be your natural water content. Yung mismong soil yung kinuha mo. Ano yung natural water content niya? So, this one. Okay? So, 17.53 minus 14.84. So, this is 2.69. 14.84 minus 9.50. This is equal to 5.34. Okay? So, naman 16.97 minus 14.36. 2.61. And then 14.36 minus 9.55 is equal to 4.81. Okay? So, try to solve the water content. 2.69 divided by 5.34 is equal to 50.37. And then 52.61 divided by 4.81. This is equal to 54.26. So, 50.37 plus ito, 54.26 divided by 2. Ang average natin dito is 52.315%. Okay? So, solving for your LI. How to solve for your LI? LI would now equal to water content. This one is your water content. Okay? 52.315 minus your PL. Your PL is this one. Okay? 36.51 divided by LL natin. LL mo is 45.525 minus 36.51. Guys, take note. Itong PI mo kasi is this one. Okay? So, solving for your LI. LI is equal to 52.315 minus 36.51 divided by 45.525 minus 36.51. So, this is 1.75. So, this is our answer for your liquidity index, 1.75. Yeah. Again, guys, kung ano napansin nyo dito sa LI natin, di ba may sa description tayo dito sa LI? Okay? Sabi natin dyan, yung description of soil based on liquidity index. So, since hindi binigay sa problem kung unknown ba siya, anong description, try natin evaluate. O ngayon, ang LL mo is 1.75. So, greater than 1 siya. So, yung liquid state siya. So, ang description natin dito, description mo dyan would be at liquid state. So, meaning to say, low strength and soil deforms like a viscous fluid. Okay? So, yan yung magiging description mo. Kapag nasa QA, QC ka, sa example, nasa Department of Public Works and Highways ka, kinandak mo to and you perform it and you solve it, na ito yung lumabas. So, ito yung magiging remarks natin. Alright? So, that's it for your example number 3. Thank you guys, and if you have a question, just PM me. God bless everyone.